Hello guys, welcome to Rich Boy Tech. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to extract emails. So I'll be showing you a software you can download on your laptop. So this is the software, it's called the Sky Extractor. So let me teach you how it works. Just select a country. For example, let's go for USA, United States. Then you type the keyword you want to look for, the type of email you want to look for. It can be real estate, it can be forex, it can be crypto, any type of keyword you are looking for. So when you are done, click on search. So the software will automatically look for email according to the niche and according to the country. So this software is a one-time version. It's not a monthly subscription. You don't need to pay for anything. So if you need the Sky Extractor, I will leave a link in the description below where you can get it. So as you can see, let me show you this is the extractor. This is the application, the software. This is the software. It's a premium software that extracts millions of email. So I don't really want this video to be long, so I'll just try and keep it short. No, as you can see, it's extracting. So it can extract up to 5,000 emails. So once it's done, you can easily go to the country and change the country, or go to the keyword and impute another keyword. So once it's done, you click on OK. Then the next step is either you just send the email or you verify the email before sending. So I'll be opening my email verifier. So this is my email verifier. You can see we have over 3,000 emails here that are verified. So if you need the software, I will put the link in the description below. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.